So the next thing that we're going to talk about is charging up a sound, like a kiss noise or a click. I don't use this as a marker, a yes marker, or a clicker. I'm not marking good behavior. I use this just as an attention grabber for dogs that are reactive to things like skateboards, dogs, birds, anything. It's an easy way to get your dog's attention off of that trigger when they're above threshold or in that red zone moment. We talk all the time. Dogs don't really care what we have to say anyway. And so the charging up of your sound can really help get their attention off of the trigger and onto you so you can UE out or get out of the situation a little easier. So it's not about a come over here or sit or look at me. It's just making the sound really important to your dog. Kona. We have Kona here as our example. So it is just super easy. You can use multiple sounds, whatever is easier for you to make. Good girl. I like to recommend that people do it 2-3 times a day for 10 seconds here, 10 seconds there. In the house is your easy environment. Out on walks when there are no triggers around, that's your medium level difficulty environment. You want to strengthen that tool in your tool belt before you see the trigger. So you're going to strengthen the tools in your tool belt so when you are out on a walk, your dog sees that trigger. You're able to get their attention on you a lot easier with your sound. And then another little pro tip, I like to use what I call sparkly fingers. So a visual distraction, that's my fingers. I've got a food lure. Kona, you left us. Our sound worked already? Yeah. Good girl. And so I do a sound, visual distraction, and food lure to get our dog away from that situation a little easier.